It is October the 1, 2025, and yeah, that's Wednesday. So I realized that I hadn't really brought you in on anything before even now. Not a lot of bee stuff going on. All I did was fill up the pails, fill up the feeders, and apply some oxalic acid vapor the other day. What was that, Monday? Anyway, tomorrow is apply oxalic acid vapor at the out yard. I should be done feeding bees now, although there's still nearly 100 liters of syrup there. We're running out of warm weather. This week has been incredibly warm. A little bit breezy right now. You can probably tell it's quite breezy. We've had temperatures 27. I think Winnipeg topped out at 30 degrees yesterday. End of September. It was record actually. So everybody's losing their mind. The world's gonna burn up. Whatever. But yeah, so here's the big lineup here. The efforts of my labors for this year. So I hope the video looks okay. It looks a bit laggy in the monitor here that I'm looking at. So I've been putting on 3 grams of oxalic acid on these 6-framers. I've been putting 4 on the big guys. There's a lot of bees in there. There's 80, 90, 100,000 bees, I think, in those. We'll let them finish these pails, and that could be a week or two, and then I'll take you in and show you in some of these again. Hopefully there's a distinct lack of brood, because it's really then that the oxalic acid vapor shines. When there's little to no brood in these colonies, those mites don't stand a chance, and I can go into winter with nice clean colonies. So I've just been working the yard, getting the yard ready for winter. There's all kinds of this stuff to do. There's all kinds of equipment. I like my equipment to be kind of organized and stacked nicely for winter, and quite a bit of it is anything but. So these wooden ones here, they'll go on 3-way pallets. So I'll have 2 3-way pallets. Thankfully I have 6 of these wooden ones, and then the polys will go 6 per chep. I'm gonna walk away because she's taking notice. She's gonna give me notice in a minute. So I'll take you with me tomorrow when I do the out yard. But other than that, there's not too much exciting going on here at all. We're still looking at some pretty serious beards, although they are diminishing. I had some supers that I was setting out to be robbed out in this area that you saw, and I was putting those away, and darn it all if there wasn't brood in one of them. So I made up a nuke. I don't think they have a very, very good chance, but you can't just abandon them, right? So I gave them a pail. Gave them a box and gave them a pail. That's all I can do. Yeah. So I was out yesterday with the string trimmer, cleaned things up nicely, and I got told to leave after doing that, so I did. And that's all I've got to report today. I really appreciate you watching. Take care and have fun. It's Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Now I kind of left you hanging because I did go and treat that out yard yesterday, but I forgot to take any of my equipment along. I didn't even take my smartphone, so I couldn't do any video at all. But it was fairly uneventful. Just treated the yard. And yeah, and today I just got back from a long day of deliveries in and around the Winnipeg area. I drove probably 325 kilometers today, I think was the tally. And I think I did 19 stops, something like that. So I'm really tired, and it's getting late. She's got it in for me. That's what she's got. But I have nothing else to add, so I will leave it at that for now. And this yard is next for oxalic acid. I'm supposed to do it tomorrow by the schedule. I need to do another day of deliveries, and so it depends on the weather. If it's rainy tomorrow, then I'm going to do deliveries. If it's nice tomorrow, then I'll do this oxalic acid. I can do the deliveries on Sunday just as well. So that's what I'm going to do. And sorry for leaving you hanging with that yard. And it wasn't very much going on this week anyway. So I did a lot of stuff, just not a lot of bee stuff. Hope you had a great week, and I hope you're having a great weekend. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care and have fun.